And now we take you live to Hyderabad, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to address BJP Workers Sammelan.
ఈరోజు భారతదేశానికే గర్వకారణంగా మన యొక్క నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారికి అందరం కూడా కరతాళ ధ్వనులతో స్వాగతం పలుకుతాము. కరతాళ ధ్వనులతో భారత్ మాతా కీ నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారి నాయకత్వం వర్ధిల్లాలి. నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారి నాయకత్వం వర్ధిల్లాలి. నరేంద్ర మోడీ గారి నాయకత్వం వర్ధిల్లాలి.
సబలమత్త గజేంద్ర విమర్దన విపినరాట్ సదృశో బలవానయం సమనుజో నృసింహ వరస్తథా
And our correspondent Aisha Khanum is in Hyderabad, from where we'll get the updates about this event. Aisha, Telangana is often referred to as a young state. Help us understand how enthusiastic are BJP workers here for PM's address today?
Well, the Prime Minister just arrived at the LV Stadium, and believe me, the stadium is full to its capacity. Till 2 hours ago, it was an empty stadium, and right now, I can see the stadium full, and it looks like also the atmosphere of a cricket match that is going to begin here. And the party workers are full of enthusiasm here, and as I said, their excitement is almost equal to watching an IPL match or exciting cricket match. So it is the workers have really made this event very colorful, because this is the first time that they are welcoming the Prime Minister in Hyderabad after Narendra Modi assumed office as the Prime Minister. So therefore, the workers' enthusiasm is clearly visible here, and the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has definitely seemed to boost their morale, because BJP in Telangana is eyeing at expanding its base right now, since the BJP is not since Telangana is not a state with where the BJP has ruled or BJP strong state. So the BJP leaders have envisaged a plan to expand its base in a non-BJP ruled state, so that BJP can emerge as an alternate do TRS in Telangana. So it is very visible that the workers are excited although this meeting was meant for party workers, but we
Right.
see that people have come here in huge numbers,
Okay.
and the common man and Hyderabadis are here to listen to the Prime Minister.
Right, Aisha, talking about excitement and enthusiasm among the BJP workers, we just heard a popular Bollywood song being used to welcome the Prime Minister. Clearly, he's seen as a hero figure in the party, isn't he?
Yes, absolutely. He seems to be a rock star for these people
Right.
who have gathered here. And as I said, the atmosphere is electrifying. And it's very surprising to see this kind of a very excited and colorful atmosphere in the stadium when
Right.
people have come to listen to a political leader. Therefore, as I said, people are still pouring in, and the stage is capacity. Prime Minister Narendra Modi this development mantra seems to have connected with the people of Telangana, because Telangana was formed on the basis of the demand for development, because this region was neglected
Right, Asha.
for the want of funds, and therefore people directly connect with Prime Minister's vision,
Right,
and
Asha.
that is why they have turned in huge numbers to listen to the Prime Minister.
Right. Also, talking about the vision of development, today is a historic day in Telangana, Aisha, where so many important infrastructure development projects were inaugurated, launched by the Prime Minister. If you talk about the Bhagirath mission of supplying drinking water supply to all households in the state, it's an important day in the history of Telangana.
Yes, absolutely. It is an important day for the people of Telangana, because they have always had this want for development in the region, and this mission Bhagiratha is a very ambitious mission which will now bring water to the people directly to their households, and women no longer will have to walk miles to get a pot full of water, a pot full of clean drinking water. So this mission has really fulfilled their aspiration, and the Prime Minister and we saw the camaraderie between the Prime Minister and the state government on the stage at Gajwel as well, because so it is very clear that the state and the center, if they work together in inclusive development, the state can further grow, because this state is just 2 years old. So therefore, Telangana as a state is in need of support from the center, and that is where the people of Telangana are connecting with the Prime Minister, because they have a lot of ambitious schemes before them, and Mission Bhagiratha and other irrigation schemes will definitely help the people in this region, and it will also quench their thirst for development as well.
Right, Aisha, also talking about Hyderabad, where this event is taking place at the moment, has been the IT hub of the country for decades. And today, the Chief Minister of Telangana also mentioned that in IT, Telangana is leading the country. So from that perspective, what kind of efforts are being put together by the centre, by the state government to ensure that Hyderabad retains and further develops on that status?
Yes, absolutely. Hyderabad has been a forefront runner in terms of IT technology and in terms of information wealth. And now with the centers, the schemes like Skill India and Startup India, Hyderabad will be a place to look for. Hyderabad will be looked upon where the youngsters will definitely would like to participate in this implement in these projects, because Startup India and Skill India are the project are these schemes which will directly connect the youngsters and youth of Hyderabad. So therefore, the Prime Minister's vision at the center is definitely appreciated by the people of Hyderabad, and Hyderabad will definitely continue to remain in the forefront as it grows as the capital of Telangana, perhaps after about years. Right now it is joint capital for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana as well. But people of Hyderabad see that there is potential for IT here, because there is a resource, there is manpower, and there are educational institutions in Hyderabad which has made this an IT hub, and also almost a leader in the southern India in terms of technology and information skills.
Right, Asha, you mentioned about centre government's flagship programs like Skill India and creating a trained workforce. If we talk about the projects that were the foundation stones for which have been launched today, whether we talk about 1600 megawatt power plants by NTPC, or we talk about the fertilizer plant, give us an overview in what way is it going to boost the employment situation in the state? How is it going to make the state do better on that front?
Yes, these are the projects that will bring prosperity because there are 10 districts. These 10 districts haven't seen development for this. And the fight for a separate state was based on this fact that they were denied development. And now these projects, be it irrigation project, be it power supply project and drinking water supply, these are the projects that will meet the demands, long-pending needs of the people of Telangana in this region. And this
Right.
will eventually lead to the young.
Right, Aisha, we're looking at visuals of Prime Minister being felicitated by party workers at this worker sammelan, and he's been welcomed by the party workers where he's come to address a worker sammelan of the BJP, and we can see the visuals of the Prime Minister being felicitated by different members of the party. And Aisha, if I can come back to you once again about this event, Prime Minister who's going to address this worker sammelan, BJP worker sammelan today. Help us understand in what manner is it going to boost the party standing in the state, and also if you can give us some insight about the issues that the party raises. It's a young state. In the past 2 years, what are the issues that the party has worked towards?
Yeah, of the Prime Minister to Telangana will also definitely boost the party workers' morale in the state as such. Remember, there is a political vacuum in Telangana as such right now because TRS is in government and the people of Telangana have rejected the TDP and YSRC, and the Congress is decimated. So therefore, there is a political vacuum that is seen in the political circles, and that is where the BJP intends to utilize its potential and expand the base.
Right.
And a few months ago, the BJP President Amit Shah had visited Hyderabad and infused the party workers to work relentlessly and take forward the development mantra of the NDA government at the center, and that is where people can connect with the BJP. So there is development plan
Right, Aisha.
for the BJP, and this is exactly what the Prime Minister has come to speak to the people, and he will
Right.
present before them the development mantra for the growth of the state, which will
Right,
eventually,
Aisha, thank you.
lead to the growth of the country.
Right, Aisha, thank you very much for joining us with those detailed inputs. Prime Minister in a short while from now will address the BJP Workers Sammelan in Hyderabad. We'll bring you that update as soon as it takes place. With that, we come to the close of this bulletin. Namaskar.